Hello everyone, I Priyanshi Mathur of class 12D and Priyanshi Rastogi of class 12C are going to talk about microfinance. So, what is microfinance? Microfinance is the provision of financial services to low income clients, including consumers and the self employed who traditionally lack access to banking and related services. Some MFIs in India. India's microfinance sector is fragmented with more than 3,000 microfinance companies, which helps in uplifting rural youth, women, and people, bringing them the formal channel of credit. The microfinance companies are trying to bridge the social and economic gap between rural and modern India. Now, benefits of microfinance. Microfinance is based on the philosophy that even small amount of credit can help end the cycle of poverty as they lend loan low rate of interest which either will help their children for getting education and healthy meal. A small business can be started by $100 in developing countries through which employment would be generated. Microfinance institution before COVID-19. Now, banking finance company microfinance institutions hold the largest share of portfolio in microcredit with the total loan outstanding of rupees 68,868 crore, which is 36.8% of total microcredit universe. In 2018-19, microfinance in India showed rapid, regionally balanced and resilient growth, said Harsh Srivastav, Chief Executive Officer of Microfinance. Now, what are the effects of COVID-19 on microfinance institutions? Microfinance sector also got hit by this pandemic and is facing another big crisis after 2010 AP Amendment Bill and 2016 demonetization. Diminishing earning capacity of MFI clients is now becoming threat to MFI existence. Although government is trying to smooth out its operation through rescheduling of loans, MFIs have their own debt obligations and liquidity needs. Post-pandemic scenario is certainly going to put pressure on sectors with surge in demand for more income generating loans and more gestation period. These are some graphs representing the effect of COVID-19 on microfinance institutions. Microfinance is an idea whose time has come. With this thought, we are concluding with our video. Thank you.